Brotendo's wildlife documentary. I'm a bird watcher now. This is not a dirt bike channel anymore. I'm a bird watcher now. Got a storm coming, baby. We gotta hurry up and get to our location before it starts pouring on me. What's up, guys? Welcome to another XR600 video. I just want to give a big shout out to all you guys that are watching. For some reason, my XR600 content seems like it blows up really quick, and all my other videos get like 50 views. It's kind of a bummer because this wasn't supposed to be the main focus of the channel, and I've been uploading a lot of the videos on this bike, but it's mostly due to the fact that I can just kind of like, I don't have to drive to the track or trails to ride it. I can ride it on dirt roads by my house. I can take it to my buddy's house. I can, you know. So, like I said, I really appreciate you guys watching, all the good feedback. So today we're gonna go to this train bridge, a trestle. I don't know if you call it that. We always called it the trussels when we were in high school. But we'd always go to this train bridge and hang out, you know, do teenager stuff. But I haven't been there in a long time, so I want to go check it out. I brought my good camera. It's on my back right now. Maybe get some cool videos, maybe some photos, whatever. Just kind of cruise. I don't got anything to do today, so we're just living. So let's hurry up and get there because it looks like a storm's gonna roll in, and I don't want to be caught in that. Yeah, it looks like it's raining over there. Hopefully it stays that way. Go out and do some fishing or some hiking. Alright guys, we're here. Well, partially here. We are where we need to be. I'm trying to go a little easy on these rocks because I don't want to puncture my tire. Wow, it seems like this got really narrow from last time. Fuck you, Bush. So this is the spot. Yeah, this is the spot. It'd be cool if a train was coming. Get some nice shots of that. Yeah, back in the day they did not have this railing. It was just the bridge, which I'm not a fan of heights. That's the park right there. It seems like people are coming here more often now. Ooh, did he get a fish? All my homies gotta eat out here, dude. Look at him creeping. Get him, bro. Get him. I know you got him.
Nice. He's eating good, boys. Get him. Come on, dude. Don't you gotta eat? I'm a bird watcher now. This is not a dirt bike channel anymore. I'm a bird watcher now. What you doing, bruh? He's feeling for a train, dude. Yeah, it's so hard to hold this steady. Brotendo's wildlife documentary. There it is. Damn, he missed him.
So, yeah, it's looking a little dark. I don't know. We might go see what Troy was doing because he's kind of on the way home. I was gonna go over sea moles, but I don't want to get stuck in that shit. So yeah, nothing too crazy. Some bird watching, some cinematic shots. Not really. Shitty bike. Alright, let's get out of here without killing myself. Yeah, I got dark quick, boys. Well, we might be getting caught in this storm. I really fucking hope not. I feel the water, boys. We gotta get home quick. Afraid of the water, but my FX30 is. Luckily it's not downpouring, but it looks like it could go at any second. Missed a post, man.